of the laws of Kenya. I, William Samoei Ruto, President and Commander-in-Chief of the Defense Forces of the Republic of Kenya, hereby grant the charter annexed hereto to Gretsa University on this 17th day of November in the year of the Lord 2025. Congratulations.
Your Excellency, sir, if you don't mind, I would like you to remain. You may take your seats. Because, Your Excellency, sir, we would like your assistance to transfer the instruments of authority. And with your permission, I would like to ask the Cabinet Secretary to stand on your right and to be joined by the Chairman, Commission for University Education. And may I also ask Commissioner Nyabiasi to join the team. On your left, sir, I would like to invite the sponsor, a representative of the sponsor, Dr. Margaret Mbugua. Stand on your left. May I also invite the chairman, BOT, Dr. Kibadi Mbugua, to join on her left. Allow me also, Your Excellency, to invite the chair of the council, Professor Francis Dungu Kibera. And I would also like to invite the Chancellor-designate, Mr. Charles Clason. And finally, Your Excellency, the Vice-Chancellor, Dr. Peter Karanja. May I also invite those who would like to assist us in receiving the instrument. Your Excellency, we would like to move the instrument beginning with the charter. So the charter is the legal document establishing the university. It contains everything about the university, the governance structures, their vision and mission. Congratulations. Must have been a long wait. Congratulations. So that moves and will be given to the Vice Chancellor and will keep custody of that instrument. The next instrument, Your Excellency, is the maize. And Your Excellency, that maize is quite interesting. If you look at it, you will see a number of things like two people, a man and a woman, suggesting commitment to gender equity. You'll see some gear and levers suggesting technology. And you'll also see a stethoscope, for example, showing their commitment to science and technology. And that moves to the Vice Chancellor, who will then take custody of that particular instrument. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. And the next item is the logo. Your Excellency has the same kind of symbolism, and this will be the means of identifying the university at a very short notice. You just look at it and you can see that commitment that we just talked about a little bit earlier. And that moves over from the sponsor to the chair of the council, Chancellor designate, and the Vice Chancellor, and that will be kept by the university. Your Excellency, the next instrument is the seal. And the seal is going to be the one that the university will use to seal their documents to make sure that everything that comes out of the university is authentic. And they will be using the seal to do that, and has passed over all the way to the Vice Chancellor, who will then keep that. And lastly, Your Excellency, we have the accreditation report. In that report, Your Excellency, There is our findings in the various visits that we have made to the university. The programs that we have accredited are in there.